Good morning kids. Today we'll do the exercise of chapter 4. Here in page number 36, that is the chapter checklist. You have to tick all the concepts which you have understood and you have to write all the answers in your notebook with proper date and question. The first exercise in page number 37 is solve the given double puzzle. The first part is unscramble the letters to form the words. And the second part is take the letters that appear in the boxes and unscramble them to form the final word. You have to pause the video and write the correct answer. Once you have done, play the video. Now, let's check the answer. The first correct word is weather. Spelling is W-E-A-T-H-E-R. Second is climate. C-L-I-M-A-T-E. Third is seasons. Spelling is S-E-A-S-O-N-S. Fourth is humid. H-U-M-I-D. Fifth is altitude. A-L-T-I-T-U-D-E. Now, the second part of this puzzle is the final word. And the correct word is India. I-N-D-I-A. Now, let's move to the second exercise. That is, match the following. On one side, you have first one, weather. Second, climate. Third, weather forecast. Fourth, tropical monsoon. Fifth, retreating monsoon. And on the other side we have A, usual weather of a place for a long period of time. B, expected weather in near future. C, season in India. D, day-to-day change in the atmosphere around us. E, climate of India. Now, you have to pause the video and match it. Once you have completed, play the video. I hope you all have done it. Now, let's see the correct answer. First one, weather, and the correct answer is day-to-day change in the atmosphere around us. Second one, climate, and the answer is usual weather of a place for a long period of time. Third one, weather forecast. And the correct answer is expected weather in near future. Fourth one is tropical monsoon. And the correct answer is climate of India. Fifth is retreating monsoon. The correct answer is season in India. I hope you all have done it. Now, let's move to the third exercise, that is choose the correct option. Here you can see options are given and you have to choose the correct answer. The first one, the weather of a place may dash continuously. You have to choose the correct answer. Second, the dash of a place influence the lifestyle of the people living there. You have to choose the correct answer. Third, people in dash wear loose cotton clothes because of its hot and humid climate. Fourth, dash in Rajasthan has a dry climate. You have to choose the correct option. Now let's check the answer. The first one is the weather of a place may change continuously and the correct answer is change. Second one, the dash of a place influence the lifestyle of the people living there. The answer is climate. Third, people in Tamil Nadu wear loose cotton clothes because of its hot and humid climate. So, Tamil Nadu is the correct answer. Fourth, Jaisalmer in Rajasthan has a dry climate. Here, Jaisalmer is the correct answer. Now, let's move to the fourth exercise, that is, answer the following question. Here, the first question is, what is weather? The answer is, weather is the day-to-day change in the atmosphere around us. Now, let's see the second question. It is, what is weather forecasting? Is it helpful? The answer is, weather forecasting is the information on how the weather will be in the next day or in the near future. Weather forecasting is very helpful because the occupation of several people depend on the weather. For example, a farmer may want to know the temperature at the time of sowing seeds. A weather forecast also warns people about storm, heavy rainfall and bad weather conditions of a region. Now let's see the third question, that is, what is climate? The answer is, climate is the weather condition of a large area over a long period of time. Fourth question is, does climate influence the lifestyle of people living there? The answer is, climate influences the lifestyle of people living in an area. The clothes they wear, the food they eat, the type of houses they build and the crops they grow. For example, people living in Meghalaya have houses with sloped roofs to drain off the water during the rainy season, as this place receives heavy rainfall. However, people in Rajasthan have houses with flat roof so that they can collect rainwater during rainy season, as this place receives very less rainfall. Now the fifth question is, what is the duration of summer in India? The answer is, duration of summer in India is from the month of March to May. Now, let's move to the fifth exercise, that is, think it over. The question is, monsoon is a season in India. Can you tell 3 ways in which this season affects the life of people in India? Now let's see the answer. The 3 ways in which monsoon affects the life of people are, the first one, farmers depend on monsoons to sow seeds. Second one, monsoon rainwater can be stored in reservoirs to produce electricity. The third one is, monsoon rains cause flood somewhere and drought somewhere else in the country. If rainfall is too heavy, it causes floods, as we see in case of Assam and Mumbai. If rainfall is scanty, it causes famines, as we see in Rajasthan. Now, there is an activity corner in page number 38. You have 2 categories, weather chart and use the atlas. You have to discuss it with your parents and write it in your notebook. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.